guys, welcome back. Welcome to the channel. If you're a subscriber and you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. If you're new to the channel, please do smash a like, drop a comment in the chat, let me know what you think of the video, constructive criticism, what you like, what you don't like, what's your favorite RC car, anything you like. Questions and comments massively appreciated. Alright guys, so this is the Sledge. I'm bringing it out because the front differential I think is going, so I've kind of brought it out to finish off the differential, but let's see if we can have some fun with it in the meantime. We're running a 6S, standard 6S Spectrum system inside it. Ooh. I'll tell you what, it's going good. Oh, it still does, it's the sick wheelies. Okay, so I do have a stiffened centre diff on this. Yeah, so I've changed the centre diff cases also GPM. It's mostly air plugged with a little bit of 200k in there for lubrication. So now, I like the MX-07. The Sledge is much more nimble and pulls wheelies actually easier, even with a standard 6S system. Obviously it's lighter. Everything holding together, looks like it. So this should be no gyro because it's the fire team's control. So purely down to driver skill or lack of. Let's do with it what we did with the MX-07. Now, my tyres are very old. I stuck them on because I don't know why I stuck them on. I normally run it with D-boots. These are very old tyres, so the foams are pretty much gone. Standard sledgehammers on a Sledge, awful in terms of having to re-glue them all the time. Oh, it's also getting awesome backflip. I think it's front diff, but for now it's holding up. Let's see if I can finish it off. Oh, I need to exercise a little bit more caution or finesse. So there is no solution for a decent, this is a cheap rear wing. It's a good job I've got another one at home. It cost me $1 this wing. But the GPM wing mount, my new one, look at the state of it. First jump, well, RCing is an expensive hobby, especially if you're... Okay. Especially if you're bad at driving like me, look at this. Oh. Okay. Differential don't sound too happy. Double. Cartwheel. On his... Look at the wing. I need to take the wing off. Look at the stage. Look at the stage now. I'm going to leave it there for a bit of cushioning. Much smaller truck. So guys, the other thing on this car is every single bit of the electronics on my Sledge originally, everything has broken. Apart from the transmitter. The receiver's broken, the ESC got a triple red light, I had to replace it. And what else? The motor broke, the bearings inside the motorway. Okay, Sledge is cool. Bit more finesse needed and finesse added. Okay, so I'm getting a bit used to the Sledge now. In comparison to an MX-07, obviously, I've got to get rid of that, right? Can't let that be there. Obviously much more nimble, much more sensitive to throttle. I can't break it back. Break off. I don't want to go back to the car. Okay. Yeah, as I say, this is my first ever RC, and I bought it with upgrading in mind, but I tell you what, moderate bashing, you do have to upgrade it, and especially the hinge pins. The hinge pins are like glass, they're terrible. So it's got hardened steel hinge pins. I even had the X-Max fix, those hinge pins also bent. Okay, nice. Easy doubles with the Spectrum system, armour top. I'm running a 15-tooth pinion. Oof. Oh, it's the motor gun. Oh, thank goodness. It was just my power cables from the motor came loose. But my ESC is only stuck down with sticky tape and it's come loose, so I need to find see if I can cable tie it down. Okay guys, because of the unique way in which my reverse motor mount in the sledge is working, I can't get a cable tie underneath the ESC mount, so I've had to go underneath the body. However, we're still trucking. So I think, yeah, problem with the sledge hinge pins is these plastic rear turnbuckles. We call them turnbuckles. Because they flex, they don't particularly flex up and down. Once you reach the bottoming out point, they flex sideways, and then all the weight goes onto your hinge pins. So this now has the hardened steel hinge pin set, only on the rear because I'm only putting on the hardened ones as the regular ones break, and all the others, to be fair, are doing fine. Let's go. Oh, kicking them up. Anyway, still good. Let's go a bit slower and a bit more. Nice. Yeah, what a good fun truck. See that rock? Oh my god. This is very harsh terrain. This body, by the way, is not a Traxxas body. It's a really cheap one I bought from Amazon. And it was damaged when it came. I told Amazon it was damaged. They said just keep it, we'll give you a refund. So this body has been free to me. I painted it like a pearlescent white and it looked amazing for a day. But now, as you can see, it's so brittle, and I've reinforced it with shoe glue. Okay, so this is a little ripper. Sledge is an awesome little truck. Pinion. Huge rocks here. Yeah, now, I think when I first got my cars, I was always like, oh yeah, I want to make it 8S, I want to do this, I want to do that. And actually, using it 6S with good batteries is much better than the extra weight of 8S. I had this on 8S for so long, and now I've returned it to 6. It's perfectly adequate. Differential still holding strong. Now I've got it on 6. and it's easier to backflip because the power's not so crazy. Traxxas paddle sounds awesome. Jump out the way. Pinion stayed on without any so that's good. It's a little ripper, mate. This is literally construction yard, big bricks. How capable is that? No, let's not do that. Look at these everywhere, guys. Big rocks, big building bricks. It's mincing through it. Run myself over. They're very loosey. Kind of jumping up onto a ledge here, so we're not getting huge air. See if I can get a full sender. It's just so rough. Easy backflip. That was a half throttle drive by. Earplug center dip on Sledge is good fun. I'll tell you what, it's taking a beating. An absolute beating. And now I forget how much I like this sledge. The widening kit as well is helping it with stability. And all these big rocks getting kicked up into the rear drivetrain, it really helps to have those thicker CVDs in the back. And the steel hinge pin set is holding up. Well, now the wing is completely done. Now we can remove the wing. Oh, can we? Oh no, it's still attached in the middle. Okay, I do, as I say, this wing, guys, cost me $1 from AliExpress. So, not expecting great things from it. So it cost me $1, I bought two. I think I paid $1 for the shipping, so $3 for 2 wings. Big bricks there. Well, the ESC is still attached. It's massive considering it's just cable ties, and thin cable ties at that. Well, it just switched itself off. LVC. LVC. Guys, my little rig of cable tying the ESC to the body has failed. So I think before I break an ESC, this is probably a good time to call it. I don't want to do anything else with it now. The ESC is loose, so I think that fix has proven itself not to be a durable fix. So this is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got a sledge, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Massively appreciate everyone who's watched this video. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If you don't like what you see, hit the like button and go to comments, tell me why, and I'll try and improve for my future videos.